Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ukon Rakhe sangma umintri rangba kajela ulapin benapat ba baya kajing Rakhe sniburom ya kajela neka Meghalaya di kabaminta usnem araja apunrio on sa Pynlong ha Baghmara South Garo Hills District. Ukon rat ulong baka sorkar jela kakerpat ya baro kidong kithan kajela bakin Rakhe sniburom Meghalaya di. Ulaban rap da kabaong bawatla kidon kijing Henry upen pau kajing kemen baka sorkar kashim ya kisin jam kabadai ban snotho ya kijing kidong kithan kajela.
Celebration, and like I had announced earlier, that we would like to see the Meghalaya Day celebration go to all the corners of the state. So in that line, I'm happy to announce that the Meghalaya Day celebration this year will be in Baghmara, South Garo.
What is it?
All preparations are on. People are there. I myself will be going ahead to make sure the preparations are good. So I'm reaching there on 20th. We'll spend the night there, and 21st morning we'll have the program. And yeah, I hope it's going to be good. Of course, I mean there are challenges obviously because large number of people will be going. But you know, it's great to see that we have got a large number of homestays now in Baghmara. So it's a great blessing. And in fact, I stay in a homestay every time I go there. I have my permanent homestay there. So it's great. So I see that you know the infrastructures come up in that way. So it'll be better, but the challenge is always there. But I always believe that this is how we take governance to impact the local economy at the same time, promote it and ensure that we are there at the grassroots level to understand the problems, to meet the people. So all of this will happen.